Here we have a Ford Transit Custom, and what we've done that's really cool on it is engine remote start. So obviously that has to be embedded with an alarm system, and the alarm system that we installed is the Pandora Smart Pro. It is an insurance approved system, but the nice feature is engine remote start. So let me demonstrate that to you. So I'm using the phone app to actually do it. So I'll give it a few seconds for it to start up. So there you have it. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn it off. So I just basically turned it off. Now, with the engine remote start, you might think it's really gimmicky, because it is pretty cool. It's been around for quite a long time, but it still looks pretty cool, even though it has been around. In the summer, you may want to cool the van down, so you have the engine remote start, the aircon will be on automatically, so it keeps it nice and cool when you get into it. But the main thing about it really is in the winter. So in the winter, where the windscreen's all frosted up and you need to get to work, you can start your engine up sort of 15 minutes or whatever before you actually go out into your van. And at that point, it'll be nice and warm. Just remember, when the engine is started, when it is actually running, through the engine remote start, the alarm system is still active, the doors are still locked, so nobody can't break into it and just drive off into it. So if they break into it, it'll trigger the alarm system off and it will cut the engine dead. So the vehicle's still secure, so don't think it's just left there running outside and it's not secure, because it is secure. So you've got nothing to worry about there. Now, being a van, obviously this customer wants it protected for obvious reasons. With the alarm system as standard, it comes with interior sensor. We added an extra interior sensor in the load area because there's a bulkhead in it, and the interior sensor in the cabin doesn't cover that area. So we put an additional sensor in there. But the standard with the alarm system, it comes with a shock sensor, worn away shock sensor, tilt sensor, motion sensor. So if it's dragged, you bang the window, it gives a warn away, make it even harder. It would actually go to full trigger. So it is pretty much covered. So if anyone's trying to peel the doors or trying to break into the van, the alarm's going to trigger before the intrusion even happens. The other nice feature about the alarm system, and this is what's unique with the Smart Pro and obviously the model above it, but with the Smart Pro in particular, you'll get the app alert, text alerts. You could even make it phone you, or you could have it text and phone you if the alarm's triggered, or even if it's just a warn away. So you'll get these alerts. As long as you've got mobile phone network, you could be anywhere in the world. As an additional security layer, and it's a really nice feature with the Pandora alarm system, is this tag. So without this tag being present, you cannot disarm the alarm system, even if you have an authorized key and it's your key, or if it's been cloned. You cannot disarm the alarm system and nor disengage the immobilizer, so you can't even get the vehicle started. So this help prevents from key cloning. In this case, it's a normal bladed key, so you haven't got that threat. But it's mainly for anyone who's got skeleton keys, plug into the OBD port. They're not going to be able to start the vehicle up, and nor will they be able to disengage the alarm system. That's going to be going off in the background. And remember, because it is the Smart Pro, the alarm's going off, you're going to be getting an app alert, text alert, phone call, or whatever you program it to be, while this is happening. So it's not as if you have to be in earshot of the actual siren.